All right, can you believe tomorrow's Friday already? To watch this video for Friday, May 10th. The SPY gap down, kind of big today, sold off, but a nice reversal and a fairly strong close. And we're at a point right now in the market where there's headline risk. I've been saying this ad nauseum in chat. There's headline risk on both sides. So it's not, there's no slam dunk short because of the tariff wars or whatever you want to call it. And there's no slam dunk long either. But, you know, we're getting a little bit of volatility. And today actually was really, really slow, but I'm what's the word I'm looking for? I'm optimistic that we're going to have some nice trades, nice trade setups, if not tomorrow, next week, and so on. But I actually have a pretty long list for tomorrow, so I'm going to get right into it. ATIS, big volume yesterday, and then kind of a quiet inside day today. I don't love this big old topping tail here, but it is kind of interesting over today's high. Certainly not my favorite on the list. AETI, big volume today. Closing well below the middle of its range, though. But as a day trader, I want to watch that one too. FLXN, nice volume today, and kind of breaking out about, I don't know, above maybe a month's worth of trading. We'll see if we get a follow through, maybe a red to green or something like that in it tomorrow. Overstock, OSTK, big volume day, fairly strong close, but well off its highs. It went up to almost 14, I think 14.18, and closed all the way down at 13.43. But the volume might catch some attention, and it's got some pretty decent support from the last week or so, and really this bounce occurred right around the December lows as well, so you might have kind of a big double bottom forming on the chart. So let's keep our eyes on Overstock. DVAX, nice breakout, maybe over a month's worth of trading on decent volume. We'll look for a red to green or something along those lines there. MAXR, I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it's a little bit better. Nice pop and a sideways flag. This one looks poised to possibly rip higher. PRPO, huge mover, and then now you have what, like 4 days down in a row. Today it gaps down a little bit, sells off, but then a big reversal. So that one's worth watching because it's a recent high flyer. Same with RHE, very strong close. We'll see if we get a follow through day tomorrow. AWSM, there's nothing compelling about this chart at all, except that in after hours I noticed this thing trading. I think it maybe even hit 4 in after hours. Right now it's 7:54 Eastern time, so the after hour session is getting ready to close, and it's getting ready to close out somewhere around 3:54. So certainly, let me zoom in a little bit here. Certainly a nice gap up, and you know, maybe we open somewhere around here. The 200-day could be a magnet. We'll see, but a potential gap and go tomorrow. We'll double check that in the morning and see if it's still gapping and how much, and then we'll watch it for that intraday setup once the market opens. WKHS on fire because Trump tweeted about it yesterday, and then today ran, but then a reversal. I think it's a good candidate for a turn back up just because of all that volume coming in. Again, only with a proper intraday setup. TIGR, recent IPOs, March 20th it IPO'd and just took off and went all the way from, let's see, the low of IPO day was 807. What, in about a month? Ran to 2389, and now we almost have a round trip, and we got that kind of downside shape look, that almost waterfall look. I'd love to see it take out all-time lows, and then I would look for a reversal on an intraday basis down below that. But either way, this is on bounce watch. I think it's in the short term certainly overdone to the downside. Remember, when you watch my videos, I'm a day trader. I am not looking for an investment in anything, and I do not hold overnight. I will not even hold my wife overnight. That's how safe I try to be. BLIN, a low float because of this recent reverse split right here, and had and this doesn't look like much, but I'll hover over this day and you can see the numbers over here. This was what, 4 sessions ago? It ran from 488 to 883, so that's huge, and then the very next day hit 1010. So while this doesn't look like a big move, it really was. And now you're 3 days lower, kind of maybe back to retest where it started from. This one goes on bounce watch. And then lastly, SUNW. Told you I had a big list today. This one really got off and just skyrocketed here. And now we got a couple red days on declining volume. A lot of times when a stock is this strong, a couple red days and it's right back up. So I'm going to watch that one too. Oh man, that's plenty to watch, and we'll add some gappers in the pre-market as well. So let's really stay vigilant and get some caffeine going in the morning and be ready to attack this market when the market opens. All right, have a great night. We'll see you all in chat.